Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Lyft driver app no sound, navigation voice and alert volume not working. Fix 1. Check phone's volume. You just have to unmute your phone physical ring switch, press the physical volume up button, slide the media volume slider to maximum and slide the notification volume slider to maximum. Fix 2. Disconnect the Bluetooth. Open your phone's quick setting menu. Turn Bluetooth off completely. Unplug any USB or aux cable from your car. Verify sound plays from the phone speaker. Fix 3. Change Lyft app setting. Open your Lyft driver app. Tap on account, your profile picture. Then tap on settings, select navigation, tap on sound and voice. Then you just have to mute off and select max volume or louder. Fix 4. Fix system permission. For Android, long press on the Lyft driver app icon and select app info. Tap on notification. Ensure all Lyft driver notification is toggled on. Tap on rider request text not toggle. Set the behavior to make sound and pop up. For iOS, open your iPhone setting, scroll down and tap Lyft driver, tap on notification, turn on all notifications, ensure sound and critical alert are toggled on. Fix 5. Disable focus mode. Swipe down from the top of the screen on Android, access the control center on iOS. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off completely and you just have to wait for 5 seconds before turning the Bluetooth back on. Reconnect only to the car audio system. Fix 6. Clear app cache. On your Android, long press on the Lyft driver app icon on your home screen. Tap on app info or icon. Then you have to click on force stop to confirm. Then tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Then you have to reopen the app. For iOS, you just have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher. Swipe up on your Lyft driver card to force close it. Open your phone setting, then click on General iPhone Storage and find and tap on Lyft driver. Tap on Offload app and then you just have to reinstall the app. Thanks for watching.